This thing.
We went full Catless straight pipe, and it's probably only gonna last another week. It sounds so good, but it's so loud.
It's almost too loud.
It's not too loud.
Nah, it's never too loud.
It's too loud. But this is supposed to be my daily driver, and I ruined it. So, without further ado, here is a fully Catless straight pipe R32 Volkswagen.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Second to third. The one from second to third is so loud.
What is that? I told him the second to third is definitely a flame, and it is.
Oh yeah. No, but it's just exponentially louder than 1 to 2.
Dude, that's like... What?
I'm like, I was telling him, I was like, if you don't know what that is, that sounds like
Literally.
a fucking supercar. You'd be like,
Dude, it sounds like a GTR.
Right, you'd be like looking around for a supercar, and then you see this egg come over the hill.
Yeah, literally. Subaru. Oh my god! Dude!
that spark cut from second gear to third gear is like standing back here. You're all the way up there. I can just
It was a
feel
flame.
it in my fucking face.
Yeah, oh yeah, it was a flame. That's insane.
Like 1 to 2 is loud, but second to third is.
Oh my god!
And that's how you ruin your daily. So fucking loud.
Dude, it's like, can you hear the echo?
Yeah. He's gonna launch it for me so I can hear what this thing fucking sounds like. Let's go. It sounds ridiculous. Maybe another week like this, but I'm gonna put a muffler on that.
Great. I feel it like I'm 200 feet behind you, and my chest is just like. I'm like, what the fuck?
What in God's name?
It's ridiculous.
That wasn't even real. Oh my.
Jesus.
Wow.
You can't hear my car at all.
What did you say?
Exactly. Bro, I feel like he's gonna blow my windshield out.
We're in a fucking full. Oh my.
Full bolt on, big turbo.
Yeah,
RS3.
we're in an RS3 with basically no exhaust, and you can't even hear what I'm saying.
I can't hear my fucking car out now.
Oh my god, dude. My.
I don't even know what to say. Like it's.
Yep. That Tesla is absolutely destroying his underwear right now. this.
Look at the old man. Oh my God, he's staring at it.
That old man was staring at it.
So
majestic. Look at this. Oh my God. Dude, I can't hear anything.
I got these new speed RSE 11Rs for it. I just put on.
These.
Yeah, to match the aluminum on aluminum. But what do you think, Kyle?
I don't have any words. It's so much fun, but for only a limited amount of time.
Yeah, I mean, driving this thing for 2 hours straight, I fucking hate it.
Once you get into some trouble, it's gonna get a little annoying.
Yeah.
But there's just nothing like it.
Yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna leave it like this for another week just to have fun with it. You have to have fun.
Yeah.
I low-key want to put this on the dyno and let fucking Nick just spark cut the shit out of it just for a good video.
If
but
you want to get up close and personal.
Yeah. That's the end of this video. I hope you liked it. I don't even know what to say, man. This thing is just so stupid loud.